Hey guys, Todd Ault here, Wall Street veteran, kicking ass and suffering no fools. As a veteran of the investment world, I've seen my share of dodgy dealers. And I can tell you, the more successful you become, the more sophisticated the dodgy dealers become. A great example, Bernie Madoff. Bernie Madoff conducted one of the most sophisticated investment scams the world's ever seen. But how the freak could so many business people get so easily fooled? There's a lot of reasons, but I believe a big one was that those investors whose money Bernie made off with, see what I did there? I think those investors wanted to believe something they knew was too good to be true. The desire to succeed and gain more wealth, to be at the top, can be very seductive. Seductive enough to make some pretty smart people ignore some glaring warning signs. Mark Cuban, the owner of the Dallas Mavericks, put it this way: always look for the fool in the deal. If you don't find one, it's you. Yep, that's right. If you can't find one single idiot in a deal that's asking people to operate outside the normal comfort zones, run. Now, it's always more complicated than that, but the point is, if it sounds too good to be true, looks too good to be true, feels too good to be true, it's probably too good to be true. All business involves some risk, but what it doesn't involve is believing in some guaranteed rate of return. It doesn't exist. That's right, up there with the pots of gold, leprechauns, and unicorn poop. So always look for the fool in the deal. And if you don't find one, it's probably you. I've given you gold, now run with it.